Let me ask you something. Are you failing in getting views on YouTube videos? Want to learn not just how to get more views, but also how to quit your day job and go full-time on YouTube and actually make money? Let me tell you a secret. You can join the YouTube Influence Challenge with me. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how, but right now, let me tell you some of the things that I've already learned from Sean Cannell and Heather Torres and their team at Think Media after just 4 sessions with 8 more sessions to go. I've already learned how to narrow my niche using easy-to-follow illustrations and information, how to plan a video via research, the 3 Ps and how to apply them, reverse engineering, researching, ways to make money on YouTube, focus, plus 3 extra ways to earn money, and the 7 biggest mistakes that content creators make. And that's just in 2 days with 5 more days to go. It's not too late for you, because if you join now for free, you can still watch the previous live videos and catch right up and get involved in the new ones posted live daily. They sell this course for almost $2,000, $1,997 US, and you get it for free. So as promised, I want to tell you how to get this course for free, and the link is in the description below. Seriously, it's free. And I'm personally taking the course right now, and the next class starts at 12:50 Eastern Standard Time, so I hope to see you there. It's not like you can go out or have any better things to do right now anyway when we're locked down. So go ahead and click the link. They don't even ask for credit card or use any pressure tactics at all. Thanks for being here. Have a great day.